Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing a healthy salad becomes easier when the ingredients are measured correctly for the number of servings you need. That's where the Sprouts Salad Recipe and Serving Calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Sprouts salad is a healthy Indian-style salad made with fresh sprouts, onion, lemon juice, salt, and optional vegetables. Fresh lemon juice brings a tangy flavor, while chopped onion adds crunch, creating a refreshing combination that's quick to prepare. Rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins, it's filling yet relatively low in calories, making it popular in weight loss and fitness diets. It can be enjoyed as a light breakfast, evening snack, or side dish, making it suitable for different meal preferences. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, and fiber. Choose optional add-ons like tomato, cucumber, coriander, or green chili to bring extra flavor, texture, and variety to your salad. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process, from washing the sprouts until serving the finished salad. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, begin by washing the sprouts properly. You can use the sprouts raw for extra crunch, or lightly steam or boil them for 3 to 5 minutes for easier digestion. Place the prepared sprouts into a mixing bowl, then add finely chopped onion. If selected, add tomato, cucumber, green chili, and coriander to the bowl. Next, add the required lemon juice and salt, then mix everything well until the ingredients are evenly combined. Serve the salad immediately to enjoy its fresh taste. With straightforward preparation and flexible add-ons, this salad fits easily into everyday meals. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.